Kapag mainit na yung pot, pwede na nating ilagay yung 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Next naman na ilalagay natin ay yung onion leeks. Kung mapapansin ninyo, iba yung kulay ng onion leeks na ginamit ko dito kasi galing siya sa freezer. Stir fry lang natin yung onion leeks hanggang sa mag-iba na yung kulay niya. Next, we are going to put 1 teaspoon of our ramyun soup powder. If you want to know how to make this, please keep on watching. Add all the soup packages. Again, just stir fry. Then add 700 ml of water. Pwede na nating ilagay yung odeng. Finally, kumulo na rin yung soup natin. And now, lagyan na natin yung noodles. I don't know for you guys, but for me, I prefer cooking my noodles for just about 2 minutes. Ayoko kasi yung overcooked. Ayan, kung makikita nyo dyan sa screen, ita-transfer ko siya sa isang bowl. Excuse our bowl kasi we don't have a bigger one. That's why I'm using the salad bowl. Kapag na-transfer na natin yung mga noodles dun sa bowl, pwede na nating lutuin yung egg dun sa pot. In this part, optional kung anong klaseng luto ng egg ang gusto mo, or kung gusto mo ng mas maraming sabaw, or konti lang. Ayan. I didn't put any garnish because our resources are limited. So, yeah, there you have it. Ramyun soup ingredient is actually optional, but I prefer adding this to my ramen because it adds more taste or flavor. And even if you add more ingredients such as fish cakes or dumplings or rice cakes, the soup tastes delectable, so trust me. After putting all the ingredients in the plastic, this is what it looks like. And then we mix the ingredients by shaking the plastic. Make sure that you mix it well, and when everything's great, you can transfer it to any container that you have. you so much guys for watching. I hope you liked and enjoyed our video for today. And that's it. See you in our next video.